Here he comes, greatest toy you've ever seen. He is real, and for you he is ideal. And his name is Mr. Machine.
He's got tiny screws you can see every year that fire the sickest gears ever seen.
Mr. Machine!
He talks, so he talks as he walks. Along the ground and round and round and round. You can pick him apart, every gear and nut. But you can put him together and build him up. Wind him. Go on. You can't break the spring, but listen. Hear him ring?
Here he comes,